This is the Candlewood Suite, and I'm not sure, Ashland, Virginia, but Glen Cove, I think, is the city. The room is designed very nicely. I can't recommend this hotel because of a few different problems, which I'll explain in a minute. But it has this nice full kitchen area, a little seating area here. The living room, there's a window here. It's right off 95, so it's really loud. The window's open, which is nice. I love how usable this room is. It's very functional. There's a closet there. We have an excess of linens because there was a problem with the linens. We also realized the windows were open when we got here, and we realized that there is a smell of mold. We can't see any mold anywhere, but you can smell mold. So this is not a hotel. There's all kinds of hair in our bed. We had to change the sheets in the middle of the night when we got ready to go to bed. Ourselves. It's a queen bed. This little area is very small, but it's nice because it's a separate bedroom with a door. But I just don't think this hotel is run very well. The linens are all in terrible shape, and they had hairs all over them, even though they were clean. But it does have a separate door, but it's a great layout and very functional. But the mold in the linens is a no. It's the first time we've been in a Candlewood Suite. Not sure we will ever be coming back. But anyway, that's what the rooms look like, and some other ones might be fine. Just old, holy, stained linens covered in hair. Anyway.